Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we are going to talk about an important function which is absolute or cup function. Absolute or cup function, it is in this form f of x equal absolute x. F of x equal absolute x. We take f of negative 3 equal absolute negative 3 equal 3. F of negative 2 absolute negative 2 equal 2. F of negative 1 equal absolute negative 1 equal 1. F of 0 equal 0. F of 1 of course equal 1. F of 2 equal 2. F of 3 equal 3. Then we have the points negative 3 and 3, negative 2 and 2, negative 1 and 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. We can graph it like this. Y dash, x dash. The function will be in the form of a cup, therefore we call it a cup function. This function has the domain equal R, range equal 0 infinity. Of course this function is even because it is symmetric about y-axis, therefore it is even. For monotonity or increasing or decreasing, this function decreasing on negative infinity and 0. It is increasing on 0 and infinity. Okay. This function is regarded as the parent function. We can generate another function from this function after we do some translation or some rotation or some reflection or even stretching. Okay, we shall see this after that. Now, how can we solve the equations of absolute function? Absolute function of x plus 3 equal 5. This function has two cases. Either x plus 3 equal 5 or x plus 3 equal negative 5. Therefore, x may be equal 5 minus 3. Therefore, x may be equal 2, or x equal negative 5 minus 3, x equal negative 8. The solution set equal 2 and negative 8. We can see this graphically. How? We can graph the which is f of x equal absolute value of x plus 3 minus 5. F of x plus 3, absolute value of x plus 3 minus 5. And see the intersection of this function with x-axis. It will be at point x equal 2 and the point equal x equal negative 8. Like this. F of negative 7 equal absolute value of negative 7 plus 3 minus 5. It will be negative 7 equal absolute value of 4 minus 5 equal 4 minus 5 equal negative 1. F of negative 6, absolute value of negative 6 plus 3 minus 5 equal absolute value of 3 minus 5 equals 3 minus 5 equal negative 2. F of negative 5 equal absolute value of negative 5 plus 3 minus 5 equal absolute value of 2 minus 5, which equal 2 minus 5 equal negative 3. F of negative 4, it will be absolute value of negative 4 plus 3 minus 5. It will be 4 minus negative 4 plus 3 equal 1 minus 5 equal negative 4. F of negative 3, it will be 0 minus 5 equal negative 5. F of negative 2, it will be 1 minus 5, it will be negative 4. F of negative 1, negative 3. F of negative 1, negative 1 plus 3, 2 minus 5, negative 3. F of negative of 0 equal negative 2. Then we have the points. Then we have the points negative 7, negative 1, negative 6, negative 2, negative 5, negative 3, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 4, negative 5, and negative 3, and negative 5, negative 2, and negative 4, negative 1, and negative 3, 0, 2. We can put these points on the graph and then draw the straight lines, and the vertex will be here in the point negative 3 and negative 3 and negative 5. Therefore, axis of symmetry x equal negative 3. This function is otherwise it is not an even function or an odd function. Domain, of course, equal R. Range equal from negative 5 to infinity. It is decreasing on negative infinity and negative 3, and increasing on negative 3 and infinity. Okay, that's it.